Uh-oh. You didn't make it far. Okay, we're gonna get snowed in here pretty soon and not be able to go anywhere. I'm putting you down while I put my glove on. Yeah. So that's that. And, oh gosh. We can't. Go on. Yeah, the drifts in front of our house are probably 4 feet deep. I can't even see the sidewalk or get to it. So we're not going to our usual place. We're going to try to go across the street. Oh my gosh, that's up to my crotch. Come on, Icon. Here. Okay. Yeah, we're snowed in. Icon says I'm not even getting off the porch. Come on, Pup. Come on. Come on. Icon, come on. He says forget you. Come on, Icon. Come. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. No? He says, no, I'm not trying that crap. I just saw what you did. No way. Should just step in the feet stuff again. See if I can stomp it down. Stay on top of it. Oh. I bet we're not going anywhere Monday either. Alright, now I'm going to have to clean up the porch a little, huh? Because he says I ain't going nowhere. Alright. Good boy. You're silly.